Hi my friends, you remember this part because it is the previous one, number 631. The drawing was this. Okay, what should I make today? I want to scale this part to be double. Each dimension to be double. For instance, if I use measure M from Monaco, this radius is 7. Why? Because this is the dimension for that feature. I want to enlarge the part in order to have a radius 14 instead of radius 7. Let's do this. You remember this part. The center point is right here, you see? And this is x-axis. X-axis. I create a small part, a cylinder, a small cylinder, placed right here inside this thickness of 3 millimeters. New, standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, this plane with x to the right, and with that circle with diameter of only 2 millimeters placed on the same horizontal with the center point at a distance of 2 millimeters. Finish sketch, extrude 1 millimeter. Okay. We know where is this cylinder placed. Good. Now we make something very interesting. Derive. I go to the scaled part and I select the name of the part we know. This is the part. We select the tab options and we change the factor to be 2 units less instead of 1 unit less. You see the part is enlarged. Okay. And if we turn back this, we see that small cylinder here. Of course, we have two solids. Now we apply combine by selecting this part firstly, which is this, and Inventor waits for us to select the other solid, this one. Okay, now that cylinder is inside this part. If we apply again M from Monaco to this cylinder, we see the dimension of 14 instead of 7. Right? Very interesting. We can create a drawing, a new drawing, IDW, and we place, I have to save that part to be placed in the drawing. I save it under the name BWR, initials of the former part, multiplied by 2, x2. Save. Okay. Now this part has a name, this enlarged part, and we can place this projection, and we can measure by applying a dimension from the center point to up. You remember what was that dimension? 47, and now it is 94. This means that this is a part with doubled dimensions. New versions of Inventor offer a simpler solution for scaling parts. To apply this new solution, we select Direct, which is Direct Edit. Then we select Solids. This is the solid. Then Scale. We place here 2 to be like before. You see the scaled part. Then Enter and close this. Now we can verify the dimension. M from Monaco shows us that 14 is here instead of 7. An important observation is about the parameters. The parameters are not changed, my friends. It is the same as the initial part. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.